Understanding the ounce to gram ratio. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that blends the world of language and measurements together, the ounce to gram ratio. Whether you're cooking, studying, or just curious, understanding this concept is incredibly useful. Let's explore what it means and how to use it effectively. The phrase, ounce to gram ratio, refers to the relationship or conversion factor between ounces, a unit of weight commonly used in the United States, and grams, a unit of weight used in the metric system, which is more prevalent worldwide. This ratio is crucial for tasks like cooking, science experiments, and even shopping, especially when you need to convert measurements from one system to another. 1 ounce is equivalent to approximately 28.35 grams. This means, to convert ounces to grams, you multiply the number of ounces by 28.35. Conversely, to convert grams to ounces, you divide the number of grams by 28.35. This conversion factor is the heart of the ounce to gram ratio. Let's put our knowledge into practice with some examples. Example 1. Converting 2 ounces to grams. 2 ounces times 28.35 equals 56.7 grams. Example 2. Converting 50 grams to ounces. 0.50 grams divided by 28.35 approximately equals 1.76 ounces. These examples show how you can use the ounce-to-gram ratio in real-life scenarios, making it a handy tool for various applications. Remembering the conversion factor, 28.35, is key. Here are some tips. Associate it with something memorable. Think of the number as a birthday, February 8, 1935, or any other significant date. Practice. The more you use the conversion, the easier it will be to remember. Use visual aids. Create a small card with the conversion factor and stick it somewhere visible. Understanding the ounce-to-gram ratio is not just about memorizing numbers. It's about navigating between different measurement systems with ease. Whether you're baking a cake using a recipe from another country or buying fabric measured in a different unit, this knowledge is invaluable. We hope this video has illuminated the concept for you. Happy converting, and see you in our next video.